In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your age on your Roblox account. So first of all, once you have headed over to your Roblox and you are on the homepage right here, what we need to do is we need to go to the bottom right hand corner, click on the three dots icon, and then you will need to scroll down once you are on the top of this page right here, and then head over to settings. Once we head over to settings, we can then click on account info, which will bring us over to this page right here. And then as you can see under your birthday, there is an option now to verify your age. If you click on that verify your age option right there, that will bring you over to this, and what you can do is click on start session. Once you click on start session, you will then be able to click on let's go. It will bring you over to this page right here where you can select the identification type you have chosen. So we can just click on ID card for example, and then click on continue. Again, it will ask you to take a second photo, and then once you have taken the photo, it will automatically detect your identification, where you can then click on continue to go to the next step and to get verified. So that's how easy it is to verify your age on your Roblox account.